Welcome back to ClearTask. If you just got a new Airtel SIM card and need to get it activated quickly, you're in the right place. In this quick video, I'll walk you through the simple step-by-step method to activate your Airtel SIM in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, make sure your new Airtel SIM is inserted correctly into your phone. It is highly recommended to put it into the SIM1 slot for the activation process. Once inserted, switch your phone on and wait a few moments for the network signal bars to appear at the top of your screen. Next, open your phone's dialer app. You need to complete the tele-verification process. To do this, dial 59059. That is 59059. Select your new Airtel SIM to make the call. When the call connects, you will hear an automated voice. First, press the number that corresponds to your preferred language. Then listen carefully to the instructions. You will be asked to enter the 5-digit OTP that was sent to your alternate mobile number. Enter the digits on your keypad. Once you complete these steps on the call, your Airtel SIM card will be fully activated within 15 minutes and your work is done. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick and easy tutorials. See you in the next one.